you guys ready for another hair challenge? And this hair challenge is a new and improved massive hair growth challenge that also focuses on your scalp, reducing shedding, getting your scalp nourished. Because when you start at that foundation, the roots, you really are promoting that length. So we're gonna talk about these products that I have formulated. And this started in COVID. This was the best hair regimen plan that we have ever had. It's the most popular one. People loved it during COVID. It was perfect. And we want to maintain that healthy hair care regimen. So don't forget, now that things have gone back to a little bit normal, we got a lot of other things that we're dealing with, thinning, fine, fragile hair, breakage, just hair falling, other health issues kind of going on. So other than, always consulting your doctor or dermatologist, we got the herbs and products that are chemical free, essential oils only infused, no trash ingredients. It's exactly what you want for this 6-week hair challenge. And guess what? I added in a bonus. Number 1, hair growth herb, my favorite, amla powder, which actually smells like tamarinds, which I love. So wanted to create this 6-week hair challenge to include that, of course, with my sister Gail, so that we can infuse everything together and show you exactly how it's gonna work. Got that expertise behind it. Me, your girl Khadija from Hennasooq, leading henna expert in henna natural hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and don't forget that dope henna body art. These products right here, we got ready to use masks. It's very convenient, so it's not all this DIY. It's a balance between the both, but a lot of it is just ready to use. So ready to use Cassie Curls Moisture Mask. We got our Ayurvedic scalp and root mask. We got your Coco Veda hair mask for deep conditioning. Then we're gonna be using the Moroccan hair tea to also infuse in water to make a hair spritz. And we're gonna add a little bit of oil to make that even more hydrating. And we're also gonna make a hair growth oil. This is perfect for all hair types, all hair textures, straight, curly, coily, locks, because you are gonna love this. This is not gonna be your regular hair challenge because we're gonna be doing this together. We have a few bonus surprises in between, especially at the end. I got a big treat for you guys. But what you can get is all of these products in the regimen plan, the original content and digital regimen plan that you're gonna follow along with, and the bonus limited behind the scenes, all the treatments, all the updates, this new massive hair growth mask that we're making together. And not only that, we are going to be throwing in additional products to that 6-week hair regimen. You're gonna get amla powder, you're gonna get your essential oil duo, you're gonna get your Ayurvedic hair oil. You will be set. And we got our hair wash, our co-wash. Every week we're gonna be using these treatments. Basically what you're doing is doing your hair wash, you're doing your treatment, you're doing your co-wash at the end, and also the in-between during the week. We even got that going on. So it is a comprehensive hair challenge. You need to join this hair challenge because it's gonna be amazing. You guys are gonna love it. You're gonna see that growth, giving your hair a chance in, really finding a good foundation. Because I'm a big believer in finding foundational products and ingredients that work for you consistently, that you can always use as your go-to, just like your wardrobe. You have basics. You need to have basics in your hair care regimen. And even if you color treat your hair, wherever you are at, we are meeting you there. You can safely use all of these products, all hair types from type 1, 2, 3, 4, thin, fine, thick hair strands, coarse, wherever you are at, you can do this hair challenge. It's for everyone. Because Hennasooq, if you didn't know by now, is a builder of bridges, a bringing together of communities, of people. Let's get into this hair challenge. I don't need to talk anymore. I've been talking too much. You guys are probably like, all right, let's get to the juicy details. Let me share exactly what you guys will love. With my sister Gail, we're gonna show you exactly how to use, make, and get to your hair goals, get that length, and get that health and wellness, not only for your outer, but for your inner. At Hennasooq, we wanna capture that as a complete. And we need to just not focus on the outside, but we really need to tap into inside your heart, your soul, like what's going on. I put so much energy into these products, formulating, making them. There is no outside sourcing helping me make these products for you guys, for me designing these regimens. It's all coming from me to you. My everything is really in these guys. And I know those of you who've been with us for a while know that that's where my heart's at, that's where it's at. So I want to make this fun and exciting because I just want us to really build this community and build it up and set henna in a whole other light, because it's really, you know, part of a lot of our roots and we don't even know it. Come on with me and my sister Gail, come in this hair challenge. Let's do this. I'm just so honored to be part of your natural hair journey too, seriously. So let's get into it. Let's go.